Alright, we're gonna work on this. This is a tub shower valve. I know that bottom diverter is probably a problem. We're gonna get this handle off. That's not a problem. See how wimpy it is? It's not, doesn't have no resistance. That's a problem. But to get this handle off, we're gonna shut the water off. This is, I'm gonna try pulling it, but a lot of times you can't get these off because they're white metal. As you can see, it's white metal. It's all pitted. Shut the water off. I don't know if you can see this ball valve, but we'll shut the cold off there. That should be lower than the other valve. Alright, we'll see. I got the water off. We'll see if we get this handle off. That handle has to come off so we can get this plate off. But most of the time, that handle's not going to want to come off because it's, like I said, white metal. But we'll see. You know, nothing's carved in stone, but usually you know when you're going to have a problem with something, when you have in the past, unless it's been lubed up. We'll see. Handle puller. I usually grind this down so it goes in, because see how fat it is? If it's not ground down, a lot of times it won't go inside there like that. That's a little tech tip. You gotta modify some of these tools for them to work properly. See if we can get this thing off. Hopefully I can. I really don't wanna. I don't wanna sell the guy something he don't need, right? Don't seem like it. Well, I think I might get it. You gotta give it the old wiggle treatment, you know? Give it the old wiggle wiggle. These diverters are a common problem with these valves. Oh yeah. But see how this is kinda, don't like that. I gotta kinda open this up to get in there. see that's been leaking there. Can you see it? I can see it. The Raven tool. Get in there, I'll take this. You don't want to drop this in the wall. I have extras in the truck, but see all the water in there? That's what the problem is. Common problem with these things. See, this got a little. This one's got the little brass. Some of them have got plastic and they let loose, but that's a brass one. It comes with the new one comes with the kit. See if we get this thing out of here now. Look at that. That O-ring right there is what goes bad. That O-ring. See, it's white. That's a tub shower one. That's just the shower. If it's just a shower, it's got this one in it, which is a volume control. This is a diverter. What's the difference? There's two kinds, a black and a white one. Black is shower, white is tub shower. This is a diverter, this is a volume control. Little tech tip there, Mama. I always like to go in here with a copper fitting brush and prep up the surface. And that's what I like to do. I should be a spokesperson for this Symmons valve. I work on so many of them. I should be the official spokesperson. I do like these valves. I work on a lot of them. I kind of do. If I was going to put a valve in my house, this is what I'd use. So this is a white one. Here's the numbers. Diverter spindle kit. 2A, 25A. White. And it comes with that little brass piece too. It's always good to put plumber's grease on there. Give it a little lube. Always good to lube up your parts. Ain't gonna hurt to put a little grease in there. Plumber's grease, and you want to kind of put that in so that's gonna be facing up when you. You want to put it in the right way so it's ready to go, right? You don't want to have it upside down. Put the retainer back. That just holds it in there. The O-ring is what seals it. So I'm hoping that this spindle is still good, which it should be, but we'll check it when we turn it on. Make sure we're getting hot water. That should take care of our leak. I know that was definitely an issue. I feel it's got more resistant to it. I knew that other one was bad. It was too wimpy. Sometimes you've been doing this for so long, you could just go by feel and you know if something's wrong, or just by experience. It's no big deal to change that diverter out. And you got to check it when you turn the water back on, make sure that it's getting hot. I should have probably checked that before I shut the water off, but we'll take it as a... We'll see if it should be okay. We'll find out. As long as it gets hot. Hello, can I help you?
Hey, Steven.
I give you a call when I get to you on the list.
Okay. I'm only here till noon because I have to be over at my car dealership today.
Well, when are you going to be back?
That'll help you with your window.
When are you going to be back?
I'll be back after 3.
Oh, I ain't working after 3, guy. I mean, not something like
No,
that.
I know that, but so it's just this morning. Tomorrow I can't do anything because I'm all jammed up also.
All right, so I'll give you a call tomorrow or next week sometime, as soon as I can. Okay?
Okay, because I'll be home after around 1 o'clock tomorrow.
Oh, all right. You kind of all right. I'll see what happens.
Okay.
I'll put you on a to-do list.
Yeah. So we'll worry about tomorrow then.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yep. All right. All right.
Yep. Bye.
Flipping guy's been calling him for 3 days. He finally calls me back. Won't pick up the phone. Gives me his house phone number, and his brother won't pick up the phone. It's like, guy, you gotta pick up the phone. Now all of a sudden he's gonna want me to go there at 3 o'clock. It's like, I ain't going there at 3 o'clock to do that type of job we're talking about. Now he's got me limited to when I can go there. I'll probably put him on the back burner, mama. Oh man, we'll put him on the back burner. He's gonna be a back burner boy. He'd be on the back burner. Put him in the back burner, mama. He wants to fix his outside faucet and do a couple other things over there, but he doesn't want to be around for the plumber when he calls, so I don't know what to tell you. Called him, I don't know how many times, 2 or 3 times the other day, yesterday, and I thought we had an appointment Thursday morning, he says to me. I've been calling you for 2 days, guy. Oh, let me give you my cell number, he says. And that would have been good the first time. Alright, let's see what happens. Make sure the water gets hot. Yeah, it's definitely hot, so. I'm gonna take a shower with it, right? You know, it's getting hot. This valve, you want to shut it, and you want to push the tub and drain it. That's what you want to do. You could go and see if it's dripping in the wall downstairs. So it was dripping. It was dripping right out of there from the trap area before when it was puddling here on the floor, right behind the boiler. You see it doing that now, so I think we got the repair fixed. You can see it's been wet. Yeah, that's good. Good enough for this neighborhood. want pets? Oh, yeah, I know you love pets. You love being petted. Oh, I know you love pets. You love being petted, Miss Molly. Yeah, Miss Molly. You gonna go? You gonna go out and gonna go and push out a Fritz? I can see you flying over here. Oh, man, you're gonna push out a Fritz. Good girl. Good girl. Go ahead, Miss Molly. Now's your chance. Now's your chance, Miss Molly. Come on, good girl. Come on, good girl, Molly. Well, there you go. Taking a leak. Are you done? That's it. You disappointed me, Miss Molly.